Yeah, let's see this question from solid state. Aluminium crystallizes in cubic closed pack structure with the unit edge length as 353.6 picometer. So A value is given to you as 353.6 picometer. What is the radius of aluminium? So first question is they have asked radius R. And second, how many unit cell are there in 1 cm cube of aluminium? Correct? Okay. Now what is the unit cell structure given? It is cubic close packed. That means it is FCC, also called as CCP. Right. So what is the relation between edge length and radius for FCC? For FCC, radius is equal to A divided by 2 root 2. What you do is convert this picometer to centimeter by multiplying by 10 raised to minus 10. And now I can take this value as 353.6 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 2 into 1.414. This gives to you radius as 125.03 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. This is very clear? Right. Now, what is the second question asked? How many unit cell are there in 1 cm cube? Now, 1 cm cube is what? It is the volume. So, they have given volume of that aluminium unit cell and they are asking how many unit cell are there in that particular volume. So what we need to do is we have to find out the volume of one unit cell, right? How do we get the volume of one unit cell? Let me go do it here. Volume of one unit cell is length into breadth into height, correct? That is all A into A into A cube. For cubic, it is length, breadth, height is same. So we already know the A value. A value is 353.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 the whole cube, right? Now this entire calculation, your volume will come out to be 4.43 into 10 raised to minus 23. See, when you take a cubing of 353.6, you get a 7-digit number, correct? And then 10 raised to minus 10 into 3 is minus 30. So that minus 30 and that 10 raised to 7 power if I write. So it becomes 10 raised to minus 23. This is the volume we get in centimeter. Correct? Now what is the question asked? How many unit cell are there in 1 cm cube of aluminium? So if it is one unit cell, then what is the volume we got just now? 4.43 10 raised to minus 23 cm cube. Yeah, this is going to be cube, right? Okay. Now they are saying if this volume is 1 cm cube, then how many unit cell do we have? So what you do is just cross multiply. So number of unit cell will come out to be 1 divided by 4.43 10 raised to minus 23 and your answer will be 2.26 into 10 raised to 22. Remember, after doing all this calculation, 2.26 into 10 raised to 22 unit cells are present. Hope this question is clear to you.